Today we're going to be installing the side markers on my BMW Z4, these things. I took the LEDs out, so I have I think it's called pre-LCI and then LCI. These are the LCI ones, but this one just ages out the car and it makes it look old. So I'm putting these LED ones in its place. I'm holding it awkwardly because I just painted these. These were chrome, but I don't like the chrome. I hate the chrome. So you can see right there. So I painted these, and I just got done painting yesterday, but apparently I gotta wait 24 hours for it to dry. To cure. And this one right here, I just painted. I just clear coated again because I was holding it with a paper towel to not scratch it, because I was cutting this part out. I'll explain that later, but it basically scratched up the clear coat really bad. Can't really see it on camera, but I just re-cleared it. Hopefully it'll level out, but that was bad. Anyways, sorry about the late video for the BMW side of things. It's because I ordered a whole bunch of mods for it, and the charge pipe that I ordered from VRSF, they sent me the wrong part, and well, I've been trying to email them and I haven't gotten any response. So I'm trying to get that part first, because the charge pipe on the M54s are pretty bad. Like as soon as you do stage 1 on it, it'll blow. So I want to replace that, and then I already have the intercoolers and everything. But for the intercooler, I still don't have the hoses that I ordered yet for it. So yeah, I'm having a big problem with VRSF. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything from them ever again. I'll explain more of them in the charge pipe video whenever I get that. I'm still trying to email them about it. But today we're just gonna install these. These came in. Again, they were chrome, but I made it black because I don't like chrome, and I couldn't find the black ones. So these have stickers in the back. Okay, so oh nice. Now it's shady. So these, it's for 2012 and up cars, I think, or 2013 and up. I'm not sure. My old one was 2012 and it had this, so I don't know if the previous owner changed it out or something. But so for the LCI models, which is like the newer ones, I think, they have these ones, and it's supposedly not supposed to fit the older ones because it has this thing, but it literally clips on, and it has stickers in it has a double-sided tape in the back. So it literally just sticks on to where this thing goes and then plugs right in. So it is bolt-on, like not bolt-on, but it is like you can just swap it out, but you do have to cut this piece off. So that's what I'm going to be doing, carefully with this one because I don't want to scratch it up like the other one. But basically all I did was you could take a knife and then like right where it meets the tape, right past there, you could scratch it and then break it off. But I have a Dremel right there, so I'm just gonna try to cut it off as much as I can and grind it down. Or I don't know what I'll do. I did grind this one down. You can see that got down under the tape, so it's not going to be scratching up the car. And this is going to be fine because this is just an alignment thing. So it doesn't like actually clip onto anything. It just aligns this piece into the fenders on the newer ones. But I'm just going to try to eyeball it, and hopefully it'll be pretty symmetric on both sides. But yeah, I don't know why I'm still holding this. I don't want to drop it. Here we go. I'll cut that, and then I'll show you guys how I did it. I got the back part back in. It's just a few clips holding it up. If you want to take it out and paint it, you can do that. It's just this clip here and then these two on the side. The back this back part here just slides out, but it looks a lot better with the light in. And I got that cut too. It's pretty sunny, so you probably can't see this. But this is just held in by a clip down in there. Yeah, it's too dark, you guys can't see it. I can't even see it, but I'll pop this out. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, and I'll show you. So all you do is grab your flathead, and then you stick it in. So my car has this little cover thing, so you can't really get in there and see it, but you just get in there, and then you basically pop this thing out right there. You just press on that, and then this thing pops out, and then you just use your finger, pull it out. There you go. And this plug is, you just unplug it and plug it into the new one. This thing comes white from the factory, by the way. It's so bad. Alright, so I'm gonna try to, it's a double-sided tape back here, so I'm gonna try to install it. I can't do it while holding my phone as well, so I'm gonna install it and try to explain as best as I can afterwards. Alright, I finally got it installed. I did forget to clean this, so I almost forgot to clean it. Well, I did, and then I was trying to install this, and then right before I peeled off the sticker, I was like, oh, I should probably clean that. So I cleaned it, and I did get some fingerprints on the paint. It's still curing, so if you press it too hard, it'll put your fingerprint on it. So there's some fingerprints on here, but it's so small that no one's gonna notice it except me, so that's good. Stickers right here, and what I did with this one is I popped this one in first, and then peeled off the back part of the sticker, and then I just kind of slowly peel the sticker out over here, and that's how I got it out. You could just peel off the sticker and hold this part in, and then just line it up, but I don't know, whichever way works for you guys. It's in though, and the sticker's on. I did get mostly there's fingerprints right here from me pressing that down, and over here, because I was trying to press this down. I should have pressed down on the light, but I don't know, because that light module part is the part that actually clips onto there. This thing is just held in by the sticker, and it's held in by the light part. And this is LED, so it's gonna look a lot better than the other one did. I'll show you once I get the other side done. The other side's more lit up, but since the sun's so darn bad right now, I'll just finish the other side and show you guys that later. But it looks a lot more better now, and it looks better with. It looks fine with the chrome, but I just don't like chrome, so it looks better with the black. So much better. Alright, so I'm on the other side to better show you how I did the sticker thing. I mean the double-sided tape. I just peeled off that side just before snapping it in, and it literally just pops right in. And I'm just gonna try to pull this up slowly. There's that spot right there, which you gotta be careful with because it's super thin. But here we go, it's all out, and then you just kind of push it in. I'm gonna go get alcohol and rub it while I push it in so that it stays in place. But that's how you get it done, and yeah, I'll show you, how it looks from far away now. Alright, the car's on right now, and the hazards lights are on. You can see LEDs. You can't really see it from up front. Well, I guess you can, but from the back it's much more bright from the side or back. And it really makes the car look a lot more newer just with those two from the side. Before and after. If I have a picture of it, I'll pop it up on the screen, but yeah, it makes it look a lot better than those white plastic pieces. definitely needs a wash, but unfortunately this needs probably 1 to 2 days to cure fully, or I'll just leave it out for a week if I can, before I'm too tempted to wash it. But you can see it getting right there. That's bad. There's like a few fingerprint marks around here. It's not too good. There's scratches from me cleaning it with alcohol. I used a paper towel. I should have used microfiber, but oh well. So far it looks very good. Like when the light's off, it's not really eye-catching like the chrome ones would be. You don't notice it as much, but like it makes it look a lot newer than it is as a 2011. It's like 11 years old now. So honestly, to me, it still looks like it just came out last year or something. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.